Welcome to Gluten Free Gourmet. Today I'm making 3-minute bananas Foster. I love making this recipe when I want to dress up my ice cream for dessert because it's so fast and delicious. The bananas do some type of magic with the butter and brown sugar to make this recipe better than the sum of its parts. So let's get started. First, I add a couple tablespoons of butter to the pan and I just let that melt down. It's over low to medium heat. I'll also add some brown sugar along with a dash of salt and cinnamon. I let this cook over medium to high heat until the sugar starts to bubble, and then I add my bananas and take that sugar off the heat because it will burn quickly. This also works really perfectly with the bananas because the heat of the sugar cooks them, but it doesn't make them too mushy. Lastly, once the pan calms down a bit, I add a little bit of vanilla and give it another toss. Simply serve over ice cream and you'll have a delicious, caramely, buttery, sweet and salty dessert to serve. Let me know if you try it in the comments below, and I'll see you next time on Gluten Free Gourmet.